Tráfate αυτό. Και εξαφανίζεται κιόλας. Παιδιά, αυτό είναι UFO.
Hello everyone, welcome to Nibiru Rising. Let's get right into it, man. Today we have this large red and white glowing object in the skies of Irakisa, Greece. This is way out in Greece, but it's flashing red and white, and so circular object in the sky, and it just seems to vanish or disappear, you know, right in sight. I mean, it just disappears. And not only that, it also seems to reappear back in Bellingham, Washington, you know, the United States. And this time, this large circular red and white object, flashing object, seems to be moving at a high rate. And now it's ascending up, and then it's going to be descending. And so it appears to be white and a red, like a flashing white and red glowing light going through our skies. This is going to change into a black object, see right there, with glowing light around the bottom of this object. So it appears to have something black on top, glowing red and white down under the bottom, flashing. It is not our craft, because I don't think we have anything that flies, ascends and descends like this. And now it's descending. Look at that. Look at the sporadic descend. It's like, look how it moves. So it's moving like a UFO. We don't know what it is, but it is moving like a UFO. And now it appears to be completely black. And so the guy who's filming is doing a phenomenal job at keeping up with this thing, man. You know, and he's not taking his eyes off of this. So now it's going to descend behind the trees, almost to like conceal itself. But this cameraman is right on it, man. I mean, he's focusing, he's looking for it. He lost track of it for a second, and bam, you know, he's right back on it, man. Look at that. Yeah, it's descending now. And look at it. Look how it's descending. Yeah, that's nothing that I've seen before. You know, it's almost like a zigzag descend. You know, I don't think we have craft that do this right here. Whatever it is, it seems like it don't want to be seen. So this is Nibiru Rising, new channel. Please like and subscribe, and we'll keep you updated on everything that's going on right now. Thanks for watching.